welcome back to Art by Brooke. In today's video, we're going to do a black and white open cup pour. I have black, white, and then also a pearl white because I find that open cup pours work a lot better if you have some sort of metallic or pearl color in there because then you get a lot more cells. I'm going to start by putting down some white as the base, setting this on top of it, and then I will be pouring the colors in here. This is just a little cup that I've cut the end off, and then I'll get going with pouring it in.
Who's to say if I'm going the right way or where I'm supposed to be? I guess I'll mess it up again. Kinda strange that I'm running in circles when no one is holding my leash. Yeah, I just make the same mistakes, and I don't wanna talk about it. I just wanna be Tina again. What's gonna bring you down when all you do is hang out with your friends? I just wanna feel like Tina again. Why'd it have to change? Who's to blame when you're all out of chances and nothing is going your way? Let's just see how bad this gets. I'm 30 something now and everybody seems to have their shit together while I'm just passed out drunk and I can't even talk. I just wanna be 18 again. What's gonna weigh you down when all you do is hang out with your friends? I just wanna feel 18 again.
Before I tilt this, I'm going to use my butane torch to pop any extra bubbles and hopefully help some of these awesome cells continue to develop.
I just wanna be 18 again. What's gonna weigh you down when all you do is hang out with your friends? I just wanna feel 18 again. Why'd it have to change? Why'd it have to
Oh, this is stunning. Oh my gosh. I am so excited about this one. So I'm gonna hit it with my torch again before we let it sit for a while because this type of paint pour actually does change a lot as it sits. And I want to pop any more bubbles and then we'll let it sit for probably 15 to 20 minutes because I expect it'll probably change a lot. Those metallics keep those cells forming and give a lot more potential for lacing to develop and things like that. Okay, so this actually hasn't changed as much as I thought it would. So let's take a closer look. So up here we have probably the majority of the white, and you see some really cool cells in there, and then we come across here, there's some neat cells in here. I think there's more of that pearl. And then this whole section is probably my favorite part. If you've been on the channel for any amount of time, you know that I love lacing. And this just reminds me of a wing, like a huge wing. And especially if you look at this part, like this looks like the part that's kind of like coming out from the shoulder. And then I'm thinking of an angel coming out from the shoulder and then like flaring out with the like feathers coming down this way. So immediately I saw that when I was pouring and I was like, that's really cool. And then down here you have some really cool like black veining through the white. And then over here, this kind of whole looks like electricity, which actually, if anyone watching is kind of a fan of D&D and watches Critical Role, you're going to be the only ones who get this, but this reminds me of Yasha, actually. If I was doing any sort of paint pour for the different characters of Critical Role, I would probably say this is definitely Yasha. So let me know in the comments if any of you are into that, because I'm not sure. I wouldn't guess that many people watching are, but it'd be really cool to find out. So leave a comment down below. And if not, let me know what you think about the paint pour. And then down here, this is probably my second favorite part because I just love all the intricacies and the details with, you get kind of black lacing and gray lacing and then some white. It just looks so cool. And of course, as this dries, the pearl is going to look really nice and metallic and kind of give it a sheen as well. This may change more as it dries, but I think it's pretty close to the final form. And then, of course, it just may get darker, or the opacity might change a little bit because the Floetrol right now is lightening up some of the dark. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and shared it with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.